sometimes you'll find a woman or a guy seems to not be making a move. And the reason that is because he feels like he can have you at any time. So a good way is to pull away a little bit. Make it not so easy to be asked out. Actually make him chase you a little bit. So even though that sounds manipulative, if he's not asking you out, you have to say, hey, you know what? This offer isn't on the table for long. And then if you start to pull away, you'll notice that he'll start saying, hey, let's do it, because he'll feel like, oh, he lost something he thought he had. And so that's one way to get him to ask you out in a situation like that. In a general situation, if you just met the person for the first time, you can say, hey, that was really great meeting you. I enjoyed talking with you, and just leave some space and let him fill it in. So basically, give him the confidence to ask you out. And by basically saying it was really nice meeting you and you have beautiful eyes, something like that, give him both an internal and external compliment.